Hi everyone! So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on how to set up a discussion in FlipGrid. Now FlipGrid is a tool that I haven't personally tried out in my own classes, but I know people that have used it, they really like it, and just trying to mess around with this practice one, I can see why, because it's pretty fun. So when you go to the FlipGrid homepage, it'll look like this. When you log in or sign up, it actually just links or gives you the option to link right to your Google account, which is what I did. So pretty easy. You don't even have to make your own separate FlipGrid account. So that's good. You'll see here that you have this homepage with all of the discussions that you've created. I just created the one, Practice FlipGrid, which I posted to the shell, and I'll walk you through how to create another one. So you click the Add a Topic button. Now I'm just going to put this topic and add a question to start the discussion. Really hard-hitting historical question right here. So you have some options down here where you can add media to further define what the question or the prompt that you're asking students. You can give them examples, you can link to things. It actually seems really versatile with all of the options that they have available. So if you have a video that you have already uploaded to YouTube, you can upload it here so they can see it. You can upload a video that's saved on your computer, maybe a piece of your Zoom lecture that you want them to discuss, or pause and discuss another video that you've posted. You can also record a video here through FlipGrid itself to give them sort of an example of how it looks. And you can add all sorts of effects. So these are all options that students have when they record their own videos too. So say you wanted to add like a frame, and they can put in, this is really cool, a board. So you can have like a place here to do some like drawing. Now, my screen is a little slowed down because I'm recording it at the same time, but you get the picture. It's pretty cool. So say then you record something. Hi everyone, react to this image. That's great. You click next.
Hi everyone, react to this image.
Then you have the option to sort of upload a name tag or the frame or whatever. And then it uploads the video to be attached to your discussion prompt. Video, you can then go and adjust the settings for sharing the FlipGrid discussion. So you have private options or public options. With private options, it looks like you can input emails for students that are allowed to post to this FlipGrid. It also looks like you can generate kind of a list of usernames and basically upload your class roster maybe to create usernames for everyone. Or you can do what I did for this FlipGrid practice, one that I created earlier, and just make it a public topic. So anybody with the join code or with the link can view the topic. And it automatically kind of defaults to be moderated so that you as the person who's in charge of the FlipGrid will have to sort of allow each of the posts if you have this enabled as on moderation. You can toggle it on and off. So it says public permissions are not recommended for classroom use. If you have your FlipGrid kind of shared to your Canvas site, I'm assuming that it's pretty safe because who's going to be sharing it around. But if you wanted to enable the moderation, that means you get to activate all of the posts instead of just having them automatically up, and it's another level of security for you there. Or you could upload all the usernames and really restrict it to the students that are allowed to post. Then you have the option to set the recording time for students. So it goes from 15 seconds all the way up to 10 minutes. You can set it to 45 seconds, so it's really quick, easy videos. And then you could have them respond to other students, either using video comments or text comments or none. So the options there. And then when you create the topic, it will show up, and I'll show you. It gives you this link. So you can link to this in Canvas to create an external URL. I have that as a setting in this practice shell. You can also copy the embed code and embed it right into a Canvas page using the HTML editor, which I have as well to show you how to do. And it has other options too. You can share the QR code, a Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, Twitter. There's other options for you. So now you have, now I have, on my dashboard, I have two things, a practice topic and a practice FlipGrid. So this is the one that I just made. And then you can see the other one that I made earlier that's actually embedded in the Canvas shell. So go ahead and practice and practice recording a response, and I can't wait to see them.